Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about what plants live in a marsh. Now, if you live in an area where you get lots of rainfall, or even in other areas, there's always lots of places that are very boggy and have a lot of marsh-like conditions. And it's very difficult to grow many plants there because they rot right out. But there are so many plants that will do well in a marsh. Naturally, I have found that many types of irises, whether it's Japanese iris, Siberian iris, or the Louisiana irises, they love wet, moist conditions. There's many types of ferns that will grow right in a boggy area. There's plants like monkshood and Filipendula, also known as meadowsweet, that can grow right in a bog. There's many trees that like boggy conditions, like willows or poplars. They do really well where it's wet. And you want to make sure that there's lots of rushes and wild native plants too. And you can leave your marshy area wild, or you can make a nice meandering garden out of it using many plants that enjoy the marshy area. But the rule of thumb is make sure that you don't introduce any invasive or problem plants into that area, because it's a marsh, the water can dissipate and it can get into other natural areas and become a problem. But by just growing the right plant for the right conditions, do your research and find out what plants grow naturally in the marshy areas in your area, and you can have a beautiful marsh garden.